Hey Geek, so I got my Panasonic S5II camera here, and the one thing that every camera needs is, of course, batteries. Now, it does come with a single battery, but you're going to need more than that, and also you're going to need a charger, which is why I got this one right here. I got this Neewer dual charger battery setup. So this is standard for most cameras, and I got Neewer or a generic brand battery because it is less expensive than getting the official Panasonic batteries. I think at the time that I got this, it was less than $35 for this, which is a great deal considering a branded battery might cost like double that in some cases. But I don't like the fact that I actually have to carry this charger around. Even though you can take a micro USB and USB-C, it does give it flexibility. It's just that I have to carry it around, and that just makes it really annoying. So today I got a different battery, and it's actually from Neewer as well, and it's this right here. And I don't need this part right here anymore. So let's go ahead and see how this charger works and if it might be a better option than just the standard charger setup that I have here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. And at the time of this video, I was able to get each one of these for about $25. And then if you are on Amazon Prime, I think you get it for less than that. So here's the box, and obviously this one is going to be the same. So let's see. And I don't know if there's any charge in it right now, but the main reason I wanted to get this is because it charges differently than the standard charger that I currently have. And it's also, I think, going to be a better option for a lot of people. So there's some books and stuff there, some warranty information, but this is the main star. And this is what we have right here. And I got this for my Panasonic S5II camera. You can get this for other Panasonic cameras as well. And the main difference here is that if you look here, there is a USB-C port. So that's the big difference. I could actually charge this just using a standard USB-C charger and cable. And there it is. It's red, and then it turns green whenever it's fully charged. And let me see if this works in my camera. I don't know if there's any charge in this at all, but we're about to find out. And you always want to make sure the batteries work anyway, so it fits perfectly as it should. And if I open this up, let me see if there's any charge at all, just to make sure the battery works. If not, I'm gonna have to charge it. Yeah, it does have some charge, so there it is. It works as it should. And it charges as it should, which is great. And that's the main reason why I got this. And I did get two of them, as you saw. So by having this type of battery, I won't need to carry this type of battery anymore, especially when I'm traveling for long periods of time. You know, the less stuff that takes up space, the better. And this one pretty much, you know, gets rid of you having to carry this around. Okay, so here's a quick tour and summary of what you get with this. Now, in the box itself, not only do you get the actual warranty guide and info, but you also get a USB to USB-C cable, as I have right here. And the battery itself, it is obviously the same size as your normal replacement. It looks slightly larger, but it does fit into your camera. But obviously the biggest difference is this right here. It has a USB-C port where you could actually just go ahead and plug in a standard USB-C charger, and then it's going to be red, and once it's fully charged, it'll turn green. Super simple. And that is the biggest selling point of this charger. But if you already had a Neewer battery charger setup, especially the dual charger like I have, you can just use the dual charger. So I got two of these batteries, plugged it in, and then I'm going to go ahead and plug in my cable. And now you could charge 2 batteries at the same time. So this is just a really, really nice feature where it gives you flexibility and it works with existing Neewer products. And so that is the Neewer USB-C charging battery for the Panasonic S5II, but also other Panasonic cameras. Newer ones pretty much all use the same batteries, and overall value is great on this. You're going to probably pay around the 40 to 50 US dollars, and I do highly recommend this. And if you're somebody who just wants to carry this by itself without this type of dual charger setup or a charger setup, then it's great because you could just use a standard USB-C charger. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other accessories that you like using for your Panasonic cameras, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get these batteries, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below.